Hi, my name is Martin Prast, Director of Business Development here at Spectralink. I would like to introduce you to the 75 series handsets. These handsets are developed and designed with focus on providing productivity and mobility, of course, in administrative environments. This through a color display and an intuitive menu that makes this a preferred choice for many of our customers in these types of environments. If we look at the specific handsets, the 7522 is focused on, again, keeping this elegant choice in black, but really the differentiation between the two handsets are that the black version, the 7522, comes with a headset jack, and the 7532 that we have in silver color comes with an alternative of a Bluetooth interface. We also provide accessories. There's a desk charger for the handsets. There's also a belt clip, so you have your possibilities to make yourself even more mobile by providing this functionality of a belt clip. We also provide integration, because voice is of course very key in regards to our solutions. And that means that integration with the market-leading telephony platforms is very important for us here at Spectralink. Integration provides optimal flow as you work through the building. It also provides extra voice functionality, and with that we are able to provide a really on-site, full functional mobile solution for these types of environments.